Welcome
to say no more
to the toxicity in your life.
Yeah. Someday we'll get like a real opening so you don't have to listen to our and see our made up dances every time. Although I hope when we do this, you do it with us.
Through the screen.
Yeah. So today we just want to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things that you can bring into your house that's fun. Relatively some inexpensive, some a little bit more costly, but worth it, and really impactful for your body and the planet.
And eco-friendly.
Which is really important because what's eco-friendly is also friendly for our bodies and vice versa. So let's help you detox your house and detox the planet.
Yeah. Numero uno.
This is one that I've been using for like 6 years, and not everyone gets on board with this. But I thoroughly love these guys. These are called soap nuts, and they're actually made from trees. They're super eco-friendly, and they clean your laundry. You put them inside of a little bag like this, and you do 5 at a time, last 5 loads. I don't know if you can do the numbers on that, but an average box that I get in 2 pounds is like something like 500 loads of laundry. It's substantially cheaper than any laundry soap you're gonna go to and buy in the store. And it has an absolute like 0 negative impact on the environment. This is in a cardboard recyclable box. There's no plastic whatsoever. And there's no scented fragrance. There's no chemicals. It is not toxic for the water system. And it means it's not toxic for your body. So this is a really big thing I say you must do now. Is switch your laundry soap. Stop throwing out those big plastic things. I 6 years, I don't stink. Do I stink? You want to smell?
Nope, you're good.
And this is so nuts. So
and you can also throw in essential oils.
Yeah.
To your laundry if you're using the soap nuts.
I actually do this a lot, what she just said, and I totally forgot about that. And then when you throw them in your washer, if your washer is anywhere you're around, your whole house will smell like the essential oils. So this is one we'll put in the link on our comments of where to get soap nuts.
Yeah.
Amazon.
And then we have a few other laundry alternatives. So they're all by 7th generation. So this one, these are the little pods that are biodegradable, the little whatever it comes in when you use it. And then it comes in a little bit of plastic, but it's more earth friendly. So we're not throwing away those huge plastic containers that just lay on the earth and they don't go anywhere. And then the ingredients are a lot friendlier also than traditional laundry detergent too. And then the last one's really cool. So this is also
Carboard.
7th generation. Yeah, it's literally cardboard.
They're doing this with
cool.
waters too. I don't know if you guys seen box water yet, but instead of being in a plastic water bottle, they're having it in cardboard. Box water.
Yeah, these are 2 great alternatives, and they're both 7th generation, so they're really good brands.
And if we want a friendly reminder, what you put on your skin goes into your body up to 60%. So it's the same thing with your laundry soap. Whatever you put on your laundry soap and put in your clothes, you know, people have reactions to the chemicals that are in their laundry soaps. You hear about it a lot. If you're having frequent like UTIs or those kind of sensitivities there, that can be traced back often to the chemicals in our house.
Yeah.
And mercury poisoning and a few other things, but we won't go on that tangent right now.
And toxic laundry detergent also emits smells in the air, and it pollutes our indoor air quality, which has actually been shown to be more toxic than outside air pollution.
Scary.
So we're breathing all that in, and it's just really, really toxic.
Disrupts our hormones. They found that the fire retardants in our furniture is found in breast milk. The BPA on receipts can absorb into your skin. We're just going to give you a whole lot of toxicity, but this one's about solutions. So changing your laundry soap, believe it or not, is really a big thing. And it's going in our water, and what you go in your water goes into our bodies. So stop putting it into our water. Okay, this is the other fun. Wool balls. We're still on laundry soap. This is obviously my very used wool ball. You're going to throw this bad boy into your
Dryer.
Yeah, she got it. And it's going to save your power bill. Our power often comes from coal, unfortunately, which is just very outdated, guys. We have solar, and for the first time in history, solar is surpassing, and wind power is surpassing coal, as it should. But for right now, most of our homes are powered off coal, and it's dirty. So you want to lower your energy bill, stop polluting the environment, throw a couple wool balls in there, and lower down your time in your dryer.
Yes. And dryer sheets are also extremely toxic to the air with everything. They're actually one of the worst offenders of indoor air pollution.
Yeah, man. Things that you think are good, like Febreze, people stop using Febreze. It is so toxic. Or the plug-ins that you put in your house, switch to essential oils, please and thank you. Especially if you have pets. If you're using the mops that you throw out every time, those are really toxic to pets. Yeah, Swiffer beds. Yeah, I know they work so good. It's so hard. But we're giving you solutions. And next one's on her.
What are we doing? Okay. So next we have our dish detergent. So this is also in a cardboard box, and there's almost no waste at all. This can be recycled, and the ingredients are pretty clean for what it is compared to traditional ones on the market. So 7th generation again. They have so many great products.
How many times have you guys washed your dishes and then tasted the scent in your water?
Oof, gross.
From the soap?
Yeah.
Like sticks to it. We're drinking that.
Yeah.
Stay away. I know we love scents, but especially if you're gonna do a scent, make it an essential oil. So that is your dishwasher. And our last solution for you to say no more toxicity in your life is our eco-friendly dental flosses. What?
Who knew that was a thing?
Yeah, I mean, think about every time we throw one of these out, I'm really getting mindful about my plastic solution. Like, I use Diva cups. There's another one you can really have a good positive footprint. But every time I get a dental floss, we're throwing these out. And man, you add those up for billions of people and you have a lot of trash. These are toxic-free for you, toxic-free for the environment. This bad boy is my favorite for how the dental floss feels. That's a big deal to me. Company's here. You want to go grab the other one? So I'm going to finish up for you. This one feels amazing in your mouth. I'll pause for that, dog. It's made of bamboo. See that bad boy? This one is glass and it's refillable. It's a string-like more floss. So it's not my favorite feeling, but it's really cool how you can keep refilling it. And you might be able to find a bamboo base one and switch it up. But both these can be found on Amazon. We're gonna stick it in the comments below. And I'm gonna say goodbye for Lindsay, since she's taming the dogs and the girl at the door. And thank you guys for being a part of saying no more to toxicity in your life, and we love you. See you soon. Mwah.